They come with a black pair, but I think.
Who gives a fuck what you think?
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. At Your Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Right, 400 likes if you don't mind, appreciate it. Thank you. Let me get these 4, and I'm gonna give you back 150. How I'm gonna do that?
Tell me, somebody.
First, I gotta shout out my sponsor, Into the AM. Shout out to them for the basic polo joint. They come in an array of colors. You got the white, you got the black, but the white you gotta back up off me. It's just like that. Olive, you got the gray, and you got the navy blue, which I also have.
I'll check you out.
Does this thing at work?
You ain't never done a day's work in your life.
Especially in the summertime. Shout out to Into the AM. You can use my discount code WAVY80, or you can use the link in the description and save. Before I get into this joint, I'm giving $150 away worth of Into the AM gift cards. This is what I'm gonna do. There's gonna be 2 winners. One's gonna get 100, the other's gonna get 150. All you gotta do is just be subscribed to the channel. Now, for the 100, my bad, all you gotta do is, for the 100, what you gotta do is, you gotta be subscribed to my channel and my Instagram. I'm gonna need you to comment done in the video description, drop a wave, and let me know your IG so I can check. And I'm gonna make sure that y'all following me on YouTube too. Now the $50 winner, all you gotta do is be following me on YouTube, and I got you. And don't worry, anybody that's following me on both, I'm putting you back in the pot, you know what I'm saying? So it ain't just like one against the other. Y'all still going back in the pot. But for the 50, you just gotta be following me on here and you'll be good. But I'm be checking the names, word. Probably end up doing the drawing on my next weekly sneaker rotation. That's when I look to do that drawing. Anyway, so like I said, the rules, I'm gonna put the rules in the video description below, and we ain't really gotta keep going into it. But anyway, before I do get into this joint, you already see, yes, I got them, but I got something else too. So I picked up another fragrance. It's been a minute. The reason why I got this joint is, let me do the unboxing, is because I heard this joint smells like a vacation. So I'm going on vacation soon, and I definitely want to smell like one. So boom, I got that Virgin Island Water by Creed. I really wanted the real thing, so I really didn't want to go for the dupe, even though, you know, hey, if they had an Armaf in the wit had something, and whenever they do, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna come in handy. That joint go right here, boom. That 100 milliliter bottle right here. I actually got it from Vemba. Had no issues with them. Shout out to my guy Shy Scent. You know what I'm saying? Who told me check out Vemba. I actually got this plus the discount. So I get like I was about to say Windex, but I do get a citrus. I do get a citrusy smell. Maybe when it dries down, I'll probably get that coconut that they're talking about. Suppose if you have to. But no, I definitely do get a citrusy smell with this. Like I said, I can't wait to bring this on vacation. This is probably gonna be my go-to for the vacay right here. I'm probably gonna bring this, my other Aventus, and I'm gonna bring out that Intense by Armaf. But I'm gonna probably end up bringing the centerpiece too. Okay, yes. Okay, I like how it does that, yeah. So yeah, like I said, from the House of Creed, always heard stories of this actual fragrance smelling like vacation, and I said, you know what? I want to smell like one too. Yeah, my bad. Just wasting the notes. Shout out to Pop. And shout out to my guy on Fresco Scent. Y'all ready? The top notes are coconut, lime, white bergamot, and Sicilian mandarin. The middle notes are ginger, lang lang, Indian jasmine, and hibiscus. Base notes, white rum, sugarcane, and musk. That's the Virgin Island Water from Creed. Like I said, I got it at Vemba for a great price. I even got found like a 10% off. I forget, I ain't got my, shipping was easy. What did I pay for this? It was in the 260s, I wanna say though. I definitely do, but yeah, the more I'm smelling this, I might even rock this joint to work tomorrow just to get acclimated to it. But yeah, man, this what's up, man. I am kind of hyped that I did get another Creed, and it was a blind buy. Just been hearing good things, and you're all ready. So shout out to Creed. Moving on, Wavy Magic time. Oh, hope that worked, cause
I can't do this anymore.
All right, so this box did get opened because somebody thought it was for them. Nah. So anyway, yeah, man, I got the Jordan 1 lows, the black toes. I got them in the size 10. There's just one thing that I want to check on these, and I'm pretty much good. But Here we go right here. Boom. Size 10. Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG. White, black, varsity red. Yeah, he's not a read.
Now you know, Master, don't hold with that.
Check them out. Check them out. Here we go. So upon looking, and this is what I was supposed to do, but here they go right here. Our first looks, yes, these joints are clean. I'm definitely glad I got them for real. I actually plan on not using these laces. You know I'm not big on the lace swap, but I'm gonna use these for the purposes of the B-roll. I don't feel like doing no on foot. It's kind of hot up in this joint, and I just don't feel like doing that.
You understand, right?
I'm definitely gonna be rocking these. These might get some burn, like Swift, like 2DR. I don't know. I ain't got that that fit ready yet. But anyway, man, let's check these joints out. Now, our first looks. These joints do look good. Let me check out this toe box. I do plan on rocking these kind of like, not like the Pandas, but I definitely, these are going straight to feet real soon. Oh, matter of fact, they do come with a extra set of laces. They come with a black pair, but so retail for these are gonna be $140. They drop on Friday, as a matter of fact, the 4th. Are these joints gonna sell out? If they're readily available, I believe so. This is just a low of a classic Jordan 1 colorway right here. This is my first pair ever. I wasn't able to get like the Chicagos or nothing like that. I didn't want those, the women pair that just dropped. I was cool off of them, but when I saw these, I was like, yeah. And I've kind of been out the loop when it's come to sneaks right about now. Prioritize, yeah. But anyway, here they go right here. Quick review. Let's take it to the sole. Boom, you got your Jordan 1 sole right here in varsity red, Nike lettering in the swoosh in the middle. Take it all the way up. You got them stars right there that'll rub out after that joke's not funny anymore. One thing I gotta check before we get up out of here. One thing I definitely gotta check. Anyway, boom. Take to the medial side. You see hits of that sole right there in red. The midsole is white. You got that white mid panel right here. On top is that black Nike swoosh. To the heel, you got that varsity red color block in. Black colorway wrapping around the toe box right here, as well as where the laces go. Now we're gonna take it to the lateral side. Side gets all the what? You see hits of that sole right there. White midsole, upper, boom. You got your white mid panel right there. Nike swoosh in black on top of that. Back here underneath the ankle, wrapping around the heel, you got that red color blocking, black going around the toe box. We'll get to the actual toe box later, as well as up here where you put your laces through. Take it to the toe box. Looking at the front, you will see hits that red right there, white midsole, black toe box, white perforated holes right here, and check it out. Yeah, that tumble right there. It is that tumble, definitely. Red shoelace right there that I'm gonna be swapping out. Black tongue leading all the way up to the top. You got your tag right there. Nike Air lettering in the swoosh in red. Take to the back. Pause. Red color blocking right here. There's the sole. Midsole is white. Wrapping behind the heel and up around the Achilles is red. You got your Patent Jordan 1 logo right there in black. I definitely prefer the Nike Air over the Jumpman. It just gives it that non-mid feel when it's, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Anyway, will he do it? Will he do it? Yeah, baby. Yeah, definitely. Just like that. You got your white insole right there. Black Nike Air lettering and the swoosh. And yeah, these are size 10, and this is what I want to see because I watched somebody's video. I don't know if they was pimping views like my man Skipper say, but let's just see. Let's see what the size is like. Oh no, no sir. It's just ain't running in bed.
Pause.
As a matter of fact, if I might add, they are a little narrow. They on the narrow side. Yeah. Not to the point that you got to do church socks though. Nah, but they do run narrow. So if you got a wide foot, sacrifice that comfort. All right. Anyway, man, if I missed anything, my bad. Hit them joints, go again, give y'all a few more looks. Like I said, out with the red laces. The red, they cool though. I ain't gonna lie. I just want to see what it's gonna look like with the off-white joint. But anyway, that is what it is. So, about to get up out of here. Y'all ready? Shout out to the Wave Mob. Don't forget that giveaway. I got y'all, man. Let me get rid of these gift cards. But anyway, let me know. Y'all copping these or y'all passing? I believe this is a cool sneak for whatever left of the summer that we got. But yeah, definitely a cool joint that I do want to break out soon. Yeah, real soon. Word. But anyway, man, I'm about to get up out of here. Gotta give a shout out to the Wave Mob. Shout out to everybody that's been liking, commenting, all that. Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter. We ain't done this in a minute. That Twitter be.
And the next trick is called the hospital flip. Why is it called a hospital
But that Snups. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you. Out.